Eagle Bum in a Suit here, coming back with another video break of 2007 Sweet Spot. Obviously, only like 5 cards, I think. 6 cards. 4 of them are hits. You get 2 helmets, 2 helmet autographs, 2 jersey cards. Alright, so here we go. Got our clear pack here. I can friggin' open it. There we go. 2 humongous thick cards in the middle, like we expected. On the floor. Alright, base card of Mr. Chester Taylor for the Vikings, and that is numbered 479 of 499. Base card, Chester Taylor. Got a base card of Willis McGahee, numbered 128 of 499. This is going to be our first hit after this. Not bad. Base card. Our first hit will be a Sweet Swatch jersey for the Ravens of Mr. Todd Heap. Just a one-color jersey. Mr. Todd Heap. We're going to go straight from the back. I'm actually going to put the cards down. We'll actually go real slow because you can see the back of the cards. Not bad. Not bad. Got a Sweet Swatch jersey rookie. One color for the Bills of Mr. Marshawn Lynch. Marshawn Lynch. Rookie jersey. Pretty nice. We're going to go put him on the back and go slow for our first autograph helmet. Whew, nice hit. Very nice hit. Let me peek really quick. Alright. It's going to be numbered 26 of 75, you guys. 26 of 75. Really nice autograph helmet. We're going to go straight from the back. Autograph helmet for the Cardinals of Mr. Larry Fitzgerald. Larry Fitzgerald autograph for the Cardinals. Pretty sick. Number 26 of 75. Yeah, really nice hit. So that was probably the box right there. The next hit, go slow. Not the rookie we're looking for. Rookie signatures numbered 767 of 799 for the Raiders of Mr. Zach Miller. Mr. Zach Miller. Alright, so that was the break. The 4 cards, 2 autograph helmets, and 2 jersey cards. And the hit of the box, obviously, was the Larry Fitzgerald, numbered only 75. Really nice autograph. So, once again, come back with some more box breaks. This is a Bum in a Suit out.